Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your keyboard app is installed and microphone permission is granted. Open Settings now, then Apps, find your keyboard and enable microphone. This lets voice input capture audio. Once done, return to Languages and Input and set that keyboard as active. Make sure the language matches what you'll speak. You do this because voice recognition needs both app access and the correct language model to convert speech into accurate text. Now tap a text field to continue to the next configuration steps. Once the keyboard is active, open its in-app settings and locate voice typing or dictation. Turn that toggle on, then select your speech language so the engine matches your pronunciation. If you need offline use, download the offline speech pack. This prevents data dependency. Make sure punctuation and auto-capitalization settings match your preference because they control how natural sentences appear. If available, enable hot word activation or long press microphone shortcut. This gives quick access when you want to start speaking without tapping menus. To use voice typing, tap any text field and then the microphone icon on the keyboard. Speak in short phrases and include pausing so the engine catches punctuation. You can say words like period or comma if supported. If speech isn't recognized, make sure microphone permission remains enabled, test on Wi-Fi or download offline speech data, and restart the keyboard app. If problems persist, clear the keyboard cache or reinstall the app. Doing this refreshes voice models and often fixes stubborn recognition errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.